Welcome students. Today we will discuss about the life cycle of Basidiomycota with an example of mushroom. Students, Basidiomycota is a phylum of fungi which includes bracket fungi, puffballs, rust and smut, and mushrooms. And students, actually this phylum is named so after the fruiting body, which is called as what, Basidia, and its reproductive structures are called as what, Basidiospores. uh, uh, Students, we will discuss today mushroom that consist of white color hyphae, which are mostly underground, and its aerial part that consists of a stalk and a cap like structure. Under the cap there are numerous gill like structures which are having inside them what, basidia or fruiting bodies. Student, these basidia, they are club shaped in structures, and in these basidia, they are formed as a result of what, as a result of plasmogamy, and plasmogamy that will be followed by what, by karyogamy. So you can say basidia, they are formed on dikaryotic hyphae, and then inside the basidia nuclei, they get fused together to form what, diploid nuclei. These nuclei then they undergo into the process of meiosis, and as a result 4 haploid nuclei they are formed. And now you can see this is the this is a more clear view of what, of basidium, and this whole structure is called as what, basidiocarp, and inside it 4 nuclei they are present. Then these nuclei, they migrate to the tip of the basidium, and they appear in the form of what, surrounding by what, by walls, and now we call them what, we call them what, basidiospores. And then these basidiospores, they release into the air, and they form what, they form on germination, they form what, mating types, different mating types, they which can be either plus or minus types. And then these plus and minus types, they come closer to each other, and in them plasmogamy it occurs. And so you can say that this whole structure that is formed as a result of what, plasmogamy. And now you can see they are what, they are septate, but inside the septa or inside this septum, perforations they are there through which cytoplasmic fusion that can occur, and all the cells of, or all the partitions are septa, they are having what, they are having 2 nuclei in them. So this is what, dikaryotic mycelium. And this dikaryotic mycelium that will develop into what, into the adult, into this mushroom like structure, or into this structure, and it is not formed immediately as a complete adult body. First it appears as a button like structure, and having number of mycelia which undergo into that of the which develop on that of the organic matter, and they penetrate inside the organic matter or inside the soil, and then it forms a complete mycelium, adult mycelium. And underneath the cap, then gills they appear, and inside the gills these basidia they are formed. So this is all about what, life cycle of Basidiomycota or mushroom. Students, in although Basidiomycota or Basidiomycetes, they can reproduce asexually by the formation of what, conidiospores, but asexual reproduction, that is not much common in them. Usually they produce what, with the help of basidiospores, which is what, sexual method of reproduction. So this is all about what, life cycle of a mushroom. Thank you, students.